Top 5 Best Commercial Coffee Makers. Number 5. Zulay Commercial Coffee Maker Machine. The Zulay Commercial Coffee Maker Machine isn't shy about its mission: fuel a crowd and look professional doing it. Built with double-wall stainless steel, it holds heat longer than single-wall models and has cool touch handles, plus a twist-lock lid to keep accidents at bay. The real appeal? Capacity. This urn brews up to 100 cups, 1 cup per minute, making it the kind of machine that turns chaos into calm at PTA breakfasts, church gatherings, or weddings. Users have discovered that timing is everything. Start it at least an hour ahead, and you'll have hot, bold coffee ready for an army. Medium grind works best in the metal basket, avoiding runaway grounds. Cleaning a beast this size takes effort, but anyone serving 200 adults in a morning will forgive a little scrubbing. What stands out is consistency. Whether brewing once a month for school events, 4 to 6 times a year for large functions, it delivers reliable, flavorful coffee without fuss. Some call it the one you buy once every 25 years. Others simply call it a blessing. For any group that takes coffee seriously, this urn is less of a purchase and more of an investment in community. Coming in number 4, pour-over coffee maker. Drip coffee machine. The pour-over coffee maker drip coffee machine is built for volume and speed with a stainless steel body and 2 glass carafes ready to handle back-to-back brewing. Each 12-cup pot takes about 7 to 10 minutes, and the dual warming plates keep everything hot without burning the flavor. It's the kind of machine you see at churches, restaurants, and family reunions. Anywhere coffee flows is free conversation. Early users noticed its size: tall, sturdy, and more at home on a buffet table than a cramped kitchen counter. But what it delivers in presence, it matches in performance. The brew is consistent, the process simple, and the warm function ensures refills never come cold. Disposable filters make cleanup quick, and stainless steel keeps it looking sharp. Not every unit lasts forever, but customer stories highlight something rare: responsive service. Machines that faltered after a few months were quickly replaced, sometimes without even returning the old one. For many, that kind of support mattered as much as the coffee itself. Whether it's serving hundreds at church breakfasts or fueling a wedding crowd, this brewer earns its keep with reliability, efficiency, and a professional shine. Coming in number 3, Fellow Aiden Precision Drip Coffee Maker. The Fellow Aiden Precision Drip Coffee Maker is the kind of machine that spoils you for everything else. Designed with barista-level precision, it controls temperature, pre-infuses grounds for blooming, and delivers consistently smooth, balanced cups, whether brewing a single mug or a full 10-cup batch. Its versatility shines with interchangeable baskets, dual shower heads for even extraction, and programmable profiles that let you wake up to a perfectly timed brew. The thermal carafe keeps coffee hot without the scorched taste of a hot plate, while the sleek design makes it as much a statement piece as an appliance. Users note that dialing in ratios, like the classic 1:16 water to coffee, unlocks the full potential, especially for light roasts that can be tricky on other machines. The guided brew takes out the guesswork, but customization is there for anyone who wants to tweak. Quiet brewing, performance, and a removable side water tank add everyday convenience. It isn't cheap, and patience is required to learn its rhythm, but those who do find it makes the perfect cup of coffee every time. For many, the Aiden isn't just a coffee maker, it's a daily ritual elevated into an art form. Coming in number 2, SYBO 12-Cup Commercial Coffee Maker. The SYBO 12-Cup Commercial Coffee Maker proves that speed and simplicity don't need to compromise quality. Built with stainless steel and a straightforward pour-over design, it brews a full pot in under 10 minutes. The multi-stream spray head ensures even saturation of the grounds, extracting full flavor with each batch. Add in 3 warming plates, included glass carafes, and it's clear this brewer was made for busy environments where one pot just won't cut it. Its stainless steel frame isn't just for looks. It's sturdy, reliable, and avoids the heavy plastic parts that many users worry about. From nursing homes focused on health to cafes and church halls, this machine earns praise for being both durable and easy to operate. Just pour in water, press the switch, and hot coffee is ready without fuss. Users appreciate its solid build, drip-free carafes, and the convenience of multiple burners to keep coffee hot during high traffic hours. While it's a sizable unit better suited for commercial spaces than compact kitchens, it's a workhorse that handles the daily grind gracefully. For anyone needing reliable, flavorful coffee on demand, the SYBO delivers with strength and consistency. Coming in number 1. SYBO 12-Cup Commercial Drip Coffee Maker. The SYBO 12-Cup Commercial Drip Coffee Maker blends commercial strength with home-friendly simplicity. Built from stainless steel and certified for safety, it ditches the plastic-heavy designs found in many brewers, giving peace of mind and a cleaner taste. Brewing up to 12 cups in under 10 minutes, it's quick enough for busy mornings, yet reliable for cafes, offices, or church kitchens. Its dual warming plates are a standout, keeping one pot hot while another brews. Perfect for households juggling regular and decaf or businesses serving non-stop refills. The multi-stream showerhead evenly saturates grounds for a balanced cup, though some users note a slightly coarser grind avoids bitterness. Lacks flashy features like built-in timers, its straightforward operation wins fans. Pour water in, add coffee, press start. The drip-free carafes save counters from spills, and cleanup is easy with standard filters. Owners appreciate the sturdiness, quiet performance, and the absence of plastic in the heating path. Not the fastest on the market, but built to last with a professional feel, it's described as a super winner for anyone who values durability, solid flavor, and the comfort of knowing coffee will be hot, clean, and ready day after day.